Here we are today, YouTube. I wanted to show you guys how to clean your engine. Well, right now, first you have to cover all your exhaust and all that. Cover those, your water lines, everything, cover that. Your cables, the distributor, everything, as much as you could. As you guys can see, it's all greasy and like dirty. So what you're gonna do, buy an engine degreaser thingy. I bought the heavy duty gel from Gunk. This one, I honestly prefer the gel ones because you spray it and then it stays there. It doesn't fall off like the other ones do. Just spray it all over your engine. Spray it, and then let it sit there for like a couple minutes for it to kind of lift up all the grease from all the oil and all that. And then what you're gonna do is scrub it. Have some brushes. A paintbrush could work. The scrubbing brush. And then for like heavy grease that doesn't remove, you could use this wire brushes. But I'll probably use this too, and maybe the wire brushes. But I'm gonna be using the pressure washer right here. I'm already setting it up. I already have it here, and I just have to connect the hose. And that's what I'm going to use to wash it. But right now, I'm going to start using the brush. It's been like a couple minutes already. It should already have loosened up the grease off. And also, if you guys don't have a pressure washer, you guys could use this one. Just set it as in jet, and it kind of almost works the same, but not as good as the pressure washer. Just start scrubbing it everywhere. And I got the brush because there's some tight spots that you can't reach there. Just scrub the whole engine. You might have to do like 2 washes. It all depends how you like it. If you like it once, just with 1 wash, it all depends. But I think I might do 2. It all depends how it comes out. I'll show you guys once it gets washed. And they're already clean, brushed up all the engine. So now I'm gonna pressure wash it. there's something going on with the pressure washer, so I'll see what's gonna happen and I'll show you guys again. There, second try. I'm gonna cut the video because I'm gonna have to splash this way, and so I'll show you guys when I'm done. And here's after the first wash. Like I told you guys that there's some heavy grease, so I'm gonna have to use a wire brush after, but it looks pretty much better than how it used to look. It used to be all greased up. Now there's barely any grease, but like the exhaust ports, I put the tin foil, and then, well, before that I put a piece of rag in there, and then the tin foil, in case of anything there was water to go in there, there was a rag that it would absorb all the water that would go in there. And it did. There's nothing in there. But I'm gonna do another round of cleaning, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. So this is the second wash, and that's the best I could do. And I did use the wire brush for like heavy oil that there was there, and then some other parts. But the best thing was this one from the sponge. It helped take off a lot of stuff, and then like in this little spots from the engine, what you could do is like push it in there and then get a screwdriver and push it back and forward, and it'll like kind of take off everything, mostly almost everything, but not that much. But yeah, this is how it came out. It looks better than how it used to be, all greased up. And there's all that. Looks so much better. It used to be all oil everywhere. So yeah, and then for the exhaust and the intake manifold, what you could do is, in case if there's any water, you could put the vacuum. Well, I use the vacuum, but where it blows air, I tilt the engine stand a little bit lower, like the engine, to one side, and then put air, and then make sure that it comes out. It kind of dries it off too. And then, well, everything's good. The only thing I had to do is put the crankshaft and the bearings, and that's all. Well, that's going to be in a different video. I'm going to show you guys. So stay tuned. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share it. Thank you for watching.